You love the beach but hate knees? Do you enjoy your feet in the grass but are scandalized by ankles? I'll show you how you can cover up those ankles by making this beach wrap for the low price of $4. That's right, $4. I got 2 yards of this fabric from my local big box store for only $4. It was an unlabeled remnant, so I'm not exactly sure what it is. If I had to guess, I would say it's some sort of poly blend linen or gauze. If any of you can tell what this is from the clips on screen, that is amazing. And let me know in the comments because I'm also curious. Let's get started. Right away, the supervisor decided to stop by for an inspection. She was not impressed by my wrinkly fabric. Most sewists would tell you to iron your fabric before starting a project, but I'm skipping that today. After pinning the layers, the first cut was the waistband. It looks suspiciously like the toilet paper from that Charmin commercial. Next, we'll cut oh wait, that's it. It's just the one cut. To prep the toilet paper for the skirt, I measured my waist and put a pin from the center of the waistband to mark the opening I'll leave. I sewed from the outer edge to the pins, leaving the center part open. After flipping it right side out, it was looking like a partially deflated balloon animal. So I ironed the strap, tucking in those loose edges. Next was the skirt. I started by basting the top edge of the skirt and gathering it. Once it looked like a fluffy cloud, I measured it and tried stuffing it into the waist opening. After struggling with the pins a bit, I decided to just pleat and pin it in place before attaching it. Oh, it's looking pretty cute. I debated shortening the hem, but in the end, I decided to go for the drama and leave it at full length. I used a simple rolled hem along the sides and bottom. And it was done. I love how it turned out, and I think the extra long skirt is dramatic and fun. This cover-up is perfect for lounging in the sun. Tropical. It's also great for laying at the beach. Luxury. And if you don't want to wear it with a swimsuit, it also makes a great cape. Thanks for watching!